There we go. Clean enough for our purposes. Not worried about the rust on the inside. Any flaky stuff will come out, but it'll be good. Okay, let's go over and grab some horseshoes. The crucible I've got is, I think it might be an old fire extinguisher, I don't know. But that's all I'm using for aluminium. I do have another one for brass, but this is aluminium. So what I'll do is, I'll put about 8 horseshoes in. Now these have still got nails in them. I'm not worried about the nails, because what happens, the aluminium will melt and the nails will go to the bottom, and then we can pour them out later on. I don't know how many I've got in there. It doesn't matter, because anything I've got left over I then just make ingots out of. These are some ingots that I've had left over, but I'm not using those on purpose because I want to do it with the horseshoes so you can see exactly what I'm doing. Alright, put the horseshoes in. I've got a hook here that I can pour it with, so I always make sure that that's facing me and away from the direct line of where the gas is going in. I've seen people like these various different ways, getting a piece of paper and dropping it in. Personally, I like a long line approach with a gas torch. So we'll just light this up. It's going to get a pop. And aluminium melts at 660 degrees. So we'll just let that rot, burn, and we'll come back in about 5-10 minutes. Should be good to go. While that's being done, I'm just going to prepare a bed for these. I've got an extra one just in case I have extra, instead of making a biscuit out of it. I'll just put it into another round pipe. All this is green sand. I've seen people on YouTube go to extraordinary lengths welding off the bottom and putting screws on, screw caps on, but honestly for me this works just as well. And that's going to give me the sizes that I want. I'm going to put some borax in there, the cap. Oh, I'll put 2 capsules because I'm feeling good. That should remove a lot more of the impurities, so I'm going to end up with nice clean aluminium floor. Turn off the gas. And ready to pour. Here we go. One. Two. The rest I'll just put in a tin over here. Put this back in here. Then all the hot things can stay together. I don't know if you can see it, but in amongst there, that's all the horseshoe nails. Alright, it's been about 10-15 minutes. They're now hard, but still extremely hot. What I'm going to do, put them in a bucket, and they'll most likely make a bit of an explosion and a bit of a noise. And you can see that sand does a pretty good job of sealing the back. There we go. There we have it. Two nice round billets of aluminium. Bit ratty on the ends, possibly a bit ratty around the edge, but we'll knock them out and see what they look like. Now, that's got a big, I can see there's a big pocket in there. This one looks a bit better, so I'm going to use this one. I'm just going to go up to the bandsaw and cut it off there, and then we'll put it in the lathe.